Howdy folks, this is PlanetMan1100.
And Kevin.
And today we're going to continue Mario and Rabbids Kingdom Battle. You know, no, we've got these two. Might as well.
Oh, this guy again. Well. Well. It seems a goody two-shoes crew can't get enough of your talents, Spawny. I wonder what new creation you can come up with to pique their interest. It better be good. Go on, let them have it. Give them something straight out of your nightmares. Or I'll give you something to be scared about. Stop wiggling, you saphead! You're gonna fall out of the... Uh-oh. And you! Stay away from Spawny! As a matter of fact, stay out of my way, period. I have things to do and daddy issues to repress.
World 2-8, Call of Sherbet Mountain. Oh, that's cute. They both have the same run animation. That's cute. Alright, let's see who we're gonna go up with, against this time. Excuse me. Sherbet Smasher. Oh, I didn't read the stats for this guy, did I?
No, I don't think you did.
Alright, Sherbet Smasher. Health points 225 of 225. Area of movement 4 cells. Pipe exit range 2 cells. Chase range 4 cells. Melee bounce 80 damage. Enemy empowerment 70 plus 70% damage.
Uh-oh.
We can take him, because we're awesome like that. Right?
I mean, I guess.
You guess? What do you mean, you guess?
Wait, what does freeze do? If Honey immobilizes enemies, then what does freeze do?
Prevents you from using special moves.
Oh.
Which is a good thing, because now he can't power up.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Should probably take this guy out first. That rocket ought to... I was gonna say that rocket should do some extra damage. With hot and cold. Yeah.
Not a bad mix.
You know what? I think now might be a good time to bring this baby into play.
Wait, no! Oh. Wait, then what does stone do?
If I remember correctly, stone stops you from doing pretty much everything. Or prevents you from doing pretty much everything. Ooh! Ooh. Ouch. Nasty.
Ooh.
You just killed your friend. Oh no. Ooh. Oh no. Oh boy. Ah! Time for the big boom dash. Woo! Hang on. And we're back. Mom wanted to tell me goodnight.
That's nice.
Okay. Which also means we're gonna have to tone it down a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Go over here. Wait, where's the weathercon pointing? Oh. Mario may or may not be okay. Kaboom!
Nice. You should have done that first.
At least they're both frozen.
Still.
Where should I... Which one should I take out first?
Take out the one with the lowest health.
Okay. Sweet, baby. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Ooh! Ouch. You just sucked the life out of him. How could you? Oh my god. At least you remember to stop, drop, and roll. Boom.
Nice.
I gotta freeze this son of a bitch with a rocket.
Well, why'd you use a rocket? Oh. To do extra damage.
Yeah. Wait, how far does the boom shot go again? Oh, this should be fine. Fuck. I miscalculated the radius.
Wouldn't that be calculus?
What?
I was trying to mix the two words.
That makes no sense.
Kinda lame joke.
Bam!
Well,
I was gonna say, now he's gonna get it.
I was just about to say bad idea. I was about to say, wait, no, that's a bad idea.
And I went ahead and did it anyway. You know what I am?
What?
Dum 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 dum.
I have no idea what you just said.
Dum 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 dum.
I still don't get it.
I'm dumb.
Oh.
Fuck. At least he didn't get knocked out. Uh-oh. Probably better off taking out that supporter first. Well, not first, but... defeat 6 enemies. Bring us down to an explosive finish.
Wait, no, that's gonna hurt you too? Oh.
Not by much. Okay.
I'd join it, but I don't want to be used as a curling stone.
Sweet. Rabid Mario. You found a new 3D model. Check it out at the museum.
How ironic. It was trying to dry its swimsuit when it became frozen in ice. Perhaps one day they will be united.
Tacticam. Sherbet Buckler. Sherbet Buckler. Sherbet Buckler. Sherbet Smasher. Let's fight. Let's take them all out. Alright. Bam! Or did I want... Ooh, almost. Boom.
Ooh, golden shot, nice.
Heck yeah. Wait, I've got an idea.
Huh?
Should I use this or...
Should I use a deadbolt?
Okay. Boom! Fuck. Oh, poor guys. Whoa. Heroes. Okay. Might be better off hitting this guy first. Boom.
Whoa, nice golden shots.
Hells yeah. Should probably activate Hero Sight first so I can hit him multiple times. There we go. That's one hit and 2 hits.
Nice.
Dash him. And then blast him.
Nice.
Call of Sherbet Mountain. Completed. Woo, baby. Okay. So... Okay. So, that's gonna do it for this part, but thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed this just as much as we did, and hope to see you all again next time. This is Planet Man 1100,
And Kevin.
signing off.